Is DJI quietly building the smartest cheap drone they've ever made? Because that's exactly what's being said about the new Lito X1, and the buzz around it has been impossible to ignore. This little drone is being positioned as DJI's new entry point into aerial photography, replacing a lineup that's been around for years. But there's a bigger question hiding underneath all of it. If the X1 is already this capable, what does that mean for the rumored Lito X2 waiting in the wings? Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly why this naming shift matters more than it looks like on the surface. For years, DJI's budget-friendly drones lived under the Mini label, and that name came with a reputation. Small, light, affordable, but always a step behind the flagship models. Now that naming convention appears to be gone, replaced entirely by the new Lito series. The Lito X1 is reportedly the direct evolution of that old entry-level tier, keeping the same lightweight, license-friendly body, while apparently packing in noticeably upgraded internals. A full rebrand like this usually signals something bigger happening behind the scenes, and in this case, it seems to be DJI distancing itself from the idea that entry-level has to mean limited. Here's where things get genuinely interesting. The Lito X1 is reportedly equipped with a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, which is a meaningful jump from the camera-only obstacle detection found on most budget drones. Camera systems guess distance based on flat image data, which tends to struggle in fog, darkness, or cluttered environments. LiDAR works completely differently, bouncing light pulses off surroundings to build a real three-dimensional map in real time. Early impressions circulating online describe the drone rerouting around obstacles mid-flight rather than simply panicking and stopping, which, if accurate, would be a notable step up for this price category.
On the camera side, the Lito X1 reportedly features a larger sensor than DJI's previous base model, along with high-resolution photo capture and slow-motion capable 4K video. There's also mention of a flat color profile designed for color grading, suggesting DJI wants this drone taken seriously by content creators, not just casual flyers. Beyond the sensor, reports point to built-in internal storage, something the older base models never had, which would remove the frustration of showing up without a memory card. Quick wireless file transfer is also being mentioned, letting footage move straight to a phone without needing a cable or laptop at all. Regional pricing for the Lito X1 has surfaced, positioning it as a genuinely affordable option compared to DJI's higher-end lineup, though availability appears to vary depending on where you live. In some markets, including the United States, an official launch hasn't happened yet, likely tied to ongoing regulatory approval processes. And that brings us to the Lito X2, which is already being talked about as the natural next step up. If the X1 is bringing this level of sensor technology to an entry-level price, it raises a real question about how much further DJI could push things with a higher-tier model in the same family. Whether the hype fully holds up, the Lito X1 looks like a serious shift in what buyers can expect from an affordable drone. So which one has you more interested? The Lito X1 you can get your hands on now, or the Lito X2 everyone's speculating about? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this breakdown helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.